Visitors, wasps.
Yeah, I didn't know they were meat eaters until last year when I did this. I didn't know wasp was a meat eater. No, I hadn't really thought about it, but I didn't
They maybe
know.
go in all food, you know, they found the smell.
But apparently they like meat.
Cracklings, my favourite.
Yeah, you've got to be fighting with Mandy with that.
Okay.
Paul, what's happening with the raffle tickets?
They need to sell them.
Where are they?
They were in the cupboard, but I don't know whether Debbie put them back after the last time she did a raffle. They're above my desk. You know where the stationery all is? There was a book in there, and that's if Debbie